Is this yours? Oh boy. Is this yours? Use your feet. Use your feet. Use your feet. Oops. Good girl. Use your feet. Use your feet, not your teeth. Feet. Kick it. Oh boy. Oh. Did you pop that already? You did? Holy cow. 30 seconds. A 4 lira ball, Matilda. Yep, you made a hole in it. I suppose it's just as much fun, isn't it? Oh. Yay. Yay. Can I throw that? Can I throw it? Use your feet. Use your feet. These feet. Well, it was more fun when it rolled, wasn't it? That was quick. Oh well, good experiment. I imagine there's hours of fun with a dead ball too. Shake it to death, that's right. Rawr! And it probably still throws. Kind of. Can I see that? Can I see that? Come on. Come on, bring it down here. Bring it here. Matilda. Matilda, bring it to me. Come on. Not yet. I'm not done. Oh, I see you just trying to rip it off. That's not funny. I'm very disappointed. Yep, bits of plastic are coming off already, aren't they? I'm glad it wasn't any more than 4 lira. Yeah. Is that fun? Come on. Hey. Come on. Oh, yay. What has it got? Don't rip it up. If you deliberately eat it, I will take it off you. If you deliberately eat that, I'll take it away. Catch me first, huh? Come on then. Bring it in. Bring it inside. Come on. Inside. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. God, this lavender is getting so big. I see you pulling that apart. That won't work. That won't work. Come, bring it up. Bring it up. Good girl. No, it's not going inside. That's a dead ball, isn't it? Oh, I see your ball. I see your smushy face too. You see your smushy face?